Summer vacation homework. Summer vacation had started, and Gattu, Chinky, and all the other students were enjoying a lot by playing Ludo at home during the day, watching TV, and playing sports like cricket and football outside in the evening. This was the routine of all the children during the summer vacation. Seeing all this, one day Gattu Chinky's dad asked them about the summer vacation homework at dinner table. Gattu Chinky, how is your homework going on?
It is going well, Dad. Maths is done, but the social study project is still left. I will do it in the last week of the vacation. Right now, I'm just enjoying and playing all the day long.
Don't rely on the last week, Gattu. A lot of pressure will suddenly come upon you.
Dad, I also told this to him. Do it little by little every day. From tomorrow, I will check myself whether you have done your homework or not.
The next day in the afternoon, Gattu was practicing his shots in the air with a bat, while Chinky was doing her homework with a big world map lying on the study table. Mummy noticed that Chinky is getting a bit upset.
Hey, Chinky, you are looking a little upset. What happened? Mom, I'm a little confused with my school project. Okay, what do you need to do in this project? Just a few days ago, there was a meeting of G20 countries in India. So in this project, we have to show all the G20 countries on the world map and write the names of their capital and currency. It looks really difficult, Mom.
By then, Gattu also comes there.
What are G20 countries, Mummy? Chinky, you tell him. What is G20? G20 is a group of 20 most developed and developing countries of the world. Leaders of these countries hold meetings every year to improve the world. Different topics are discussed during these meetings. Great, Chinky. But it is very difficult to remember the names of these many countries. I have a method by which all these details like name, flags, currency will be remembered very easily. And that too like playing. Oh wow, Mummy. And what is the trick, Mom?
Mummy brings out a box from the cupboard on which it was written a year in the box.
Look at this. This is a gaming box made by Puntoon Kids. And its name is A Year in the Box.
Chinky and Gattu were curiously looking at that gaming box. Then Mom took out a game from inside that box.
Mom, which game is this? This game is called Bon Voyage. And how do we play it? Let me tell you. First, look at this. This is an aeroplane-shaped pawn. And this is a passport. Every player has to take a passport and a pawn.
Gattu and Chinky listen to this carefully, and then Mom tells them the steps to play this game.
Then, we roll the dice. And whatever number has come, we will place your pawn on that country written on that number and take their visa. Looking at that card, we can see the country's flag, capital, currency, and will learn about their major attraction.
Mummy rolls the die. And by placing her pawn on the game board and taking the visa from there, she explains Gattu and Chinky.
It is so easy, Mom. And fun too. Yes. Like this, whatever number comes on rolling the dice, in the next turn, it has to be added to the last number and shifted to the new country position. Understood. In this way, you will get to know about the flags, capital, currency, and major attractions of all the countries while playing that game.
After learning Bon Voyage from their mother, Gattu and Chinky started playing that game. By the evening itself, Chinky had remembered all the country names, flags, capitals, etc. and had also completed her school project very easily. In no time, the vacations came to an end, and now only 7 days were left. Gattu suddenly had to do homework for all the subjects, and now there is a lot of pressure on him. Gattu finished the homework of social studies with great effort throughout the day, but the English and science projects were yet to be completed. When father came home in the evening, there was a different happiness on his face. Mom also noticed this happiness and asked him,
You seem quite happy today.
Yes, I have a surprise for all of you.
Oh wow, what kind of surprise?
Gattu also looked at Dad with quite excitement after hearing this. Then Dad told everyone, My office has selected me for a special training program. And that special training program has been organized in a resort in Goa for 4 days.
Wow, Goa!
Yes, and I thought that I will take you along with me. My training workshop will run only for 4-5 hours a day. Then we will enjoy Goa together for the rest of the time. Even your summer vacations are going on.
It's a great surprise. Yes, it will be a lot of fun in Goa.
Yes, just do all the packing in the next 2 days. I will book all of our tickets. There was a lot of excitement in the whole house because of Goa's plan. Gattu kept on planning adventures in Goa all night long. The next day, when Gattu met his friends to play cricket, he told everyone about the Goa trip. All the children got very excited after hearing this.
Wow, Gattu. You can go to the beaches. Yes, I like the beaches very much. You are very lucky, man. I had only gone to my grandmother's house during the summer vacations for 5 days. And I could not enjoy there properly because of the science project. And why so? Don't you know how difficult it is? You have to remember the names of every part of your body, its function and other details, and make a diagram of all of them with description. Oh yes, I just remembered. It's too much work. Yes, my whole trip to my grandmother's house was spent in making this project. Haven't you finished your science project yet? No, then you too will have to continue to do your homework in Goa and you will not be able to go anywhere. I have not even thought of this.
Now Gattu got really upset and went home and told everything to his mom. Mom also got upset after hearing this. When Dad came home from the office, Mom told him the whole situation. What? Gattu hasn't finished the summer vacation homework yet?
Sorry, Papa.
I had warned you in the beginning of the vacation, if you do your homework little by little every day, then there will be no pressure in the last week.
Look at Chinky. She has completed all her project and homework right on time. But now how will we go to Goa? Gattu will sit there in the hotel all day doing homework.
No kids, no compromise with your studies. We will cancel Goa for now. The idea of making school projects by sitting in a hotel room is not at all practical. Gattu, you have to finish all the homework here at home. I will now go to Goa alone for my training program.
Sorry, Chinky. Because of me, our Goa trip got cancelled. No problem, Gattu. Finishing school homework and projects is more important. We will visit Goa later.
And then the next day, Dad went to Goa alone for his training program. And Gattu started making his science project. The project was very difficult and it was taking a lot of time. Gattu had now understood that the right way to finish homework on time is by working little by little every day. Keeping all the homework for last week is not right. Today, because of his mistake, even Mom and Chinky could not go to Goa.
I have now understood that it is not good to postpone your work like this. From now, I will also finish all my homework on time, just like Chinky.
After seeing Gattu regret on his mistake like this, Mom and Chinky cheer him to make him happy.
No problem, Gattu. It is more important to correct your mistake when you realize it. I am happy that from now on, you will finish all your work on time, all by yourself. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.